They gather in small flocks on city streets, pushing and shoving, unbothered by bright lights and traffic noise. Wherever they are, noisy, unusual birds, hear their chatter.
See? He got it.
Now, it's A plus and hieroglyphics is the crew now. Presently showing you how to make a tune sound. Make the roof pound if you play the levels too loud. Impossible to cool down. Make the ladies say, ow. Brothers yelling. I still be rocking the party even though the other one is selling. Mr. A plus never was a felon. And I could be lying, but no one is telling. I come from heaven and it's nice to meet you. People be tripping hella faulties how they like to treat you. You can think I'm slipping and you saucy, but then I defeat you. Faulty images I can see through. You should try to be you instead of that nigga that you trying to be, dude. I could expose every copy carbon, but I'm making sure life never got me starving. I move making cause the tomb is waiting. And if you truly do the faking, you'll awaken. Or you can remain another fool to break in. This water like the what they all hollering, but the truth remain tolerant. And when you get look where your dollar went, it should all be common sense. But take a look at what the single word read got to say. So bad you think you got to sin. Views darkening and then you caught again. Now you see, there's no defense against the consequences. It's all plain and simple. Refrain from simping about some shit you claim you been through. I'm taking the good with the bad things. I can remember when all I wanted was to have things, but now it's not what I get, but what I can bring to the sad scene. Fat sacks for the rap fiends with no acting, no unbelievable tale that you can see that it's stale. All the pretending was seeming to fail. I was laughing you were leaving to jail. But the way this country is, it could be me in the cell, steady fiending for mail. But that's highly unlikely. I'm shining with the light so brightly blinding your sight. We keep you rewinding nightly, reminding you politely. Hip-hop perform tightly. This water like what they all hollering, but the truth remain tolerant. And when you get look where your dollar went, it should all be common sense. But take a look at what the single word read gotta say. It's more to life than what they all hollering, but the truth remain tolerant. And when you did look where your dollar went, it should all be common sense. But take a look at what the single word read gotta say.
Too much last night, got bills to pay. My head just feels in There.
Wherever they are, noisy, stocky little birds. I'll make sure.
I'm down with all the illers, ain't no craps all around me. So put your head together, you still couldn't find me. Where I be and how I live is ill.
Hey yo, niggas always talking about this shit is real.
I got a flex with a Lex in my video.
That's what half of these rappers be thinking in every city, yo.
Yeah, you wanna fight, don't ya? You wanna bite, don't ya? Thinking forward, over the coast is here to take your soul, rearrange it with flows. You're unknown, come across our line, you get blown. Too many bits ain't no putting together. Restoring your body parts, leaving the rest for whatever.
We talking about you wanna freestyle, you wanna flow, but your flow be like oil and water, it don't mix, and you don't even know. You waiting for your rhyme fix, but my mind sticks, my rhyme hits, your mind gets amputated, cause your style ain't even hip hop related.
This be the Kazi, my niggas call me Kaz. How does it feel to be mixed up in laws? First of all, you shouldn't admit the next rapper. Now your mind's confused, you lose, talking about you paid dues.
Slave crews when you ain't even the base two. Talking about take two, you only get one take. Yo, my boys just run fakes, run you out of mind states. Plus they just might take the papes. Plus you remember no plates, so don't have no mistakes. Stepping over this way.
Second to last, but not least, say yo, Kazi's here to rip it. Take them seeds, tie them up, and then split. It's like this, yo, I'm up on some blizz. Total techniques for the hip hop kids.
Yo, we putting the lid on ya. If you whack it, we're gonna, cause we own her. We'll bath, dropping back, cause we only wanna keep this hip hop real, innovating new style. Taking out whack MCs by the pounds, for real.
I'm Gary Clark.
First like this, MCs for whackness. I have no strings to hold me down. Beware the Tupperware. It's the limited edition Prime Series Humvee, telesport brain that came complete with all-terrain capabilities. Track trailblazing the path of traveling freely. Beyond the vanity of water impedance hindering. Progress intending to enhance those plagued with excessive styles, relying on primal rage, disengaged pursuing trivial, unimportant material. Virtually there, but still visually impaired point of views. Confusing the output of your outlook, confusing your confidence, cause you dwell on surface knowledge. Dig deeper into my speech, or the only way you'll learn is to have a translator explain my rhymes in layman's terms. We now have confirmation. Your order has swarmed like locusts, consuming all vegetation into wasteland fields, freshwater wells seeping, poisonous corrosion explosion as a business proposition, exposing flesh to nuclear explosions, forming glowing boils at the point of contact of forming. The surviving population is mass mutations, resulting from advanced hip-hop experimentations on an island of Mad Lib Monroe. CDP pouring beats down your throat that dissolve your vital organs.
It's not Sam Brown.
They got it, the ability to rock it. I'm cool with these ways of work. You ain't in the place like that. Not your head back. I'm cool with who I be. Lyric slinger from CDP. Got shit locked up like slaves out at sea. You're lost to the way I come across. At all costs, I must get mine. Suck up all the sun rays and then I'll shine till I blind all our sights all over the planet. When I rhyme right, I outstanding. Cool with my way, so sure that most can't stand it. Y'all knows me, the rhyme wise who stays high. With 40s in my lap, bust that old school boom bap all over this map. For I be that down that South Cali port, you know it to be. The DECLAIME. Doing my thing in this ring, knocking niggas down with what I bring. Crazy chaos, your way off.